In this eLearning, we're going to talk about customer appointments. So this item, the appointments, go in conjunction with the agenda in WISE option. Here on the top, I'm going to right click, use the main menu. When I use the right click, I can use the main menu and go for calendar. So every time I have a calendar appointment associated to a particular customer, whenever I add an appointment into the calendar, those appointments are going to show in the list of appointments for that customer. Suppose that a customer calls and says that, hey, I do have an appointment for a future date, but I don't quite remember which day. Instead of going to the calendar and looking day by day or trying to find the appointment in the calendar, you just should go highlight the customer or find the customer in a quick search, click on the appointments, and the appointments is going to give you the list of past and future appointments for that customer. You have down here a shortcut. As soon as I clicked on the appointment, first let me mention this. As soon as I clicked on this button, the appointments will show on a second tab, here on the second level tab with the list. Down here I have a view calendar, which is basically just a shortcut to open the calendar on a new tab. In here you can start a new appointment for that customer. If you start an appointment for a customer from the appointment list, it is going to automatically suggest the name of that customer, and also as a shortcut it will give you the list of patients, so you can pick the patients that will be attending that appointment. I will not complete because we're going to explore this option here. Well, let me do it this one time. I'm going to say it's going to be on the clinic for Dr. Stewart, October 15th at 2 p.m. It's scheduled, and I'm going to save. So here you can see that my appointment is scheduled for 2 patients. If I hover the mouse, it shows me the name of the patients, who's going to be attending, and everything about that appointment. I can also here use the right click and change the status. So now it's confirmed. And you can see the history and operate. If I click and I click on edit, it's going to open that appointment for any change. Now the customer is asking for 3 p.m. instead. So now it's set for 3 p.m. Or you can simply delete. But I'm going to leave this one there for our example. So today you've learned how to explore the customer appointment shortcut in customer management file for WISE option. Thanks for watching.